Today is the autumn equinox. It's a magical moment when the day and night are perfectly balanced. It's the turning point between the seasons, when the sun begins its journey into the southern sky. And this is the time when the fairies are celebrating their woodland harvest. So I've come to look for signs of fairy activity. And look at this. Someone has been foraging. It's a tiny basket full of seeds and herbs. I brought a gift with me, a little sheaf of wheat to offer as thanks for the magic that the fairies share. I'll leave it here. I hope it's found. I've returned, and the wheat sheaf is gone, and so is the basket. That's a wonderful sign. I've come to another part of the woods, and look what I found. A tiny wreath. And here, there's decorations made from hawthorn berries and seeds. And in the centre of this tree, a fairy table set with autumn goodies. And look, there's the wheat sheaf. I'm so glad they found it and that it's part of their equinox celebration. Until next time, keep your eyes open. You never know where fairy magic might be hiding.